Yo, welcome back to the waviest channel on YouTube. Bring you secret content, clothing content, whatever content I want to bring to the channel. Today, we're looking at this Casio watch. So it's a G-Shock with a CAD AP Audemars Piguet band, cover, casing type thing. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you how to put that together. I got the watch from Zoomies, and I got the case thing, the band from Amazon. So yeah, it's time to get it done. I'll see you after this. Please enjoy. And this is a different style for me, so yeah, but I made it work. Alrighty, so here's the G-Shock box. I have actually tried this watch on just because I wanted to see how it looked. All of your packaging, warranty information, all of that right here. And then here we have the casing for the watch itself. Let's go ahead and remove this here with a little bit of elbow grease. All right, so that is open. Little insert. Have your book, your little manual, all that information right in there for you. And lastly, we have the watch. So like I said, this is a GA or G100 or 2100. GA2100. There's a price tag. I know I could have got this cheaper elsewhere, but I really wanted this band and I saw it in store, so I just had to make the move and grab this thing here. And this is my favorite band, or casing, whatever. So that's why I ended up purchasing this and even paying a little bit more because I wanted something that I knew I was gonna like. Now, here's this in the Amazon packaging still. I haven't even opened it yet, but let's go ahead and get to it. So here's the box that comes in. Let you see some of that right there. Oh, hardware. So as you see, this is very similar to the G-Shock box casing that it comes in. I'd say almost, yeah, pretty identical in size. I'm sure it's not hard to find the manufacturer of this and tell them you want to order a few. So let's open this up. This is the mod itself. Oh, same little thing. Here we have some extra links. And we have the band itself. Wow, okay. Yeah, this definitely does have some weight to it. Oh, this is so beautiful. I can, just look at it. So butterfly clasp on there. Very nice, very luxe. So let's just get right into it and get this going. I think I've looked at 2 different videos regarding this, I'd say about 3, regarding this mod. And I think of the 3, there was like 2 that I actually watched. So it's pretty straightforward on putting this together. I'm making it this way, that way I can show you. And if you're a first timer, it's my first time as well. So yeah, here we go. Let's open this package up. So here we go. First off, we need to remove the screws that are in here on these side pieces all around. And then we'll get this center face removed. This is a Phillips, so I went ahead and grabbed the yellow Phillips screwdriver that was in the package. So let's go ahead and get this unscrewed. Gonna be very careful, very gentle. Make sure you don't strip these out. And you do want to hang on to these, so go ahead and put these in this tray here. So now that we've got those out, it's time to pry this off, because you do have to get it around these buttons here to get it out. And for that, I will grab the flathead. That comes off there. This pin right here, you do want to slide over. That way you can get these bands off. Okay, now we have it disassembled. So we have just the face left alone here, or the dial. No, that's just the dial. We have this piece of the watch. So let's go ahead and put it in here. It should just slide in. I believe this is the correct side, yes, okay. So as you see, it just slides on in. Just gotta line it up. Boom. Just like that, super easy. And now we grab the Phillips that you have here and the screws that we removed from the original band setup, and just reinstall it. This should line up fine based on the couple reviews that I've seen, so there should be no issue getting this back in. Okay, and here you see we have a completed, very beautiful watch here. This mod is amazing. I just love every bit of it. This is definitely going to be too small, so I need to add some links. But let me go ahead and take this off. Well, hey, it's not too bad. And I actually like my watches kind of tight on me. So let me go ahead and adjust the focus. So here is that on my wrist. Beautiful, beautiful mod. This is this is crazy. I am enjoying this $200 mod, or 250-ish. So yeah. Here's how it looks on my wrist. No links added. I probably won't add any links just because I like the tight feel. That is it for this video, baby. You know, it's I don't think my autofocus is on. Oh, it is. No, it's not focusing on. I already got some shots of it, but just so you can see the beauty again. There it is on my wrist. Yeah, wrist sizing, all of that, I really don't know. I don't have anything to measure really quick, but yeah, here it is. It is beautiful. That's pretty much it for this video. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this watch. Is it something you'd be interested in doing? Or would you just kind of pass up or go Paul Rich route, which I wouldn't do. But yeah, what is your thoughts and opinions on this? Let me know in the comment section. And like this video, help the algorithm. Thank you. Peace. Never play yourself. Peace. I usually say peace after never. Bye.